Hello guys, welcome to the new tech channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to remove the cooler of graphics card and how to replace the thermal paste. Today we're gonna be using the GTX 770, but the procedure is the same for all the graphics card. What we're going to need is a screwdriver to remove the screws, toilet paper, some new thermal paste, and some alcohol to remove the old thermal paste from the graphics card. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to remove the screws. When you have removed all your screws, you're gonna take your PCB and squeeze the bit, and it's off. Then you need to remove the fan header. And you're done. This is the actual PCB of the card. Now we're going to remove the thermal paste. Okay, so you need to grab a piece of paper and then use the alcohol. Now first we're going to remove the thermal paste from the cooler. Now we need to put some new. Put a little dot in the center of your GPU, and you're okay to go. Okay guys, so once you have installed new thermal paste, you want to take the cooler, flip it, and then take your PCB and place it in top of it. That was easy. So what you need to do now is just put all the screws back in place. Okay guys, that was it. We have successfully removed the cooler, replaced the thermal paste and replaced the cooler. Like this video if you liked it, comment something if you want to ask me about this GPU, if you have any questions, if you want to build a new PC, and of course subscribe.